The holiday season is finally here, and you know what that means? Decorating Christmas trees, indulging in delicious meals, and creating wonderful memories with your loved ones. Today, we are combining the best of both worlds. Let's start by setting up the Christmas tree and turning it into a masterpiece. And then we'll dive straight into the kitchen to prepare two of Goa's most loved Christmas sweets, Kulkuls and Kormolas. For the recipe, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour and sift it well to avoid lumps. Add 1/3 cup of fine semolina or rava. This will provide extra crunch to the kalkals and kormolas. For sweetness, add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can adjust the sweetness based on your preference. I've added 3 tablespoons as I don't want it to be very sweet. Add a pinch of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Mix everything together until it forms a crumbly texture. Once it forms a texture like this, knead it into a smooth dough with 1/3 cup of milk. Ensure to knead it into a soft dough to get the best kalkals and kormolas. Once ready, cover it with a wet cloth and let it sit aside for 30 minutes. After resting, knead it one last time and then cut into equal portions. Roll out each portion and maintain even thickness throughout. Cut it into square shapes as shown, vertically and horizontally both. To make the kormolas, take a square piece and fold it to form a triangle. Then pinch and fold it again to form a small flower. Twist and seal the edges so that it doesn't open up when frying. Let's watch it again. Fold into a triangle, pinch, fold again, twist and turn to seal the edges. Once all the kormolas are ready, cover it with a wet cloth and let it sit aside so that it doesn't dry out. Let's move to prepare the kalkals. Kalkals basically look like small worms and it is very easy to prepare with a fork. So roll out one of the portion into a cylinder and cut it into small equal pieces as shown. Roll each piece into a small ball and then press it against the back of a fork. Once the dough is secured in place, roll it inwards to form worm-like shapes. Repeat the same process with the remainder dough and cover it with a wet cloth to set aside until it is ready for frying. Quick tip on how to check if the oil is at the correct temperature. Add a small piece of dough, and if it floats back to the surface, then the oil is at the perfect temperature for frying. Following the Goan traditions, I always prepare a cross before frying any of the Christmas sweets. Let me know in the comment sections what are your Christmas stories and how do you celebrate it. I would love to know your side of the stories too. Fry the Kulkuls and Kormolas in small batches on low to medium flame. This will prevent it from burning and give you the perfectly golden fried crunchy sweets. And this is the perfect color. Let's do a crunch test. Did you hear that? It has turned absolutely delicious and crunchy. Add some powdered sugar if required for extra sweetness. The delicious, crunchy and super tasty Kulkuls and Kormolas are ready to be served. Don't forget to follow this recipe, try it out for this Christmas season, and also share your stories in the comments down below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. See you all in my next video with another Christmas recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.